To get the most out of your Honeywell Designer Series humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill, remove the water tank and remove the cap by turning the arrow towards the open lock symbol. Fill the water tank with cool water, then secure the cap by twisting firmly into lock position. Place the tank back in the housing. Make sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. To use with essential oils, slide the tray open and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the pad. Never add essential oils to the water tank. To turn on the humidifier, slide the control wheel up to the highest setting. More lights mean more mist output. When a comfortable humidity level has been reached, slide the control wheel to a lower setting. Your ideal humidity level should be between 40 and 60%. If you notice condensation or dampness around the humidifier, turn the mist level down. Press the tank light button to control the light intensity in the water tank. When your humidifier is out of water, the humidifier will turn off and the refill light will turn on. Refill the water tank and replace it in the housing. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.